Okay, people, today I want to do a quick video on the different items I have on this truck to keep my truck clean and fresh. So obviously I have a broom in my hand, and I wash my truck. I mop my floors every morning and also every night, because I just cannot deal with a dirty truck. Okay, so here's another one of my weapons, Fabuloso. Now, what I'll typically do once a week, I'll one cap full, pour it on the floor, and then I use water to dilute it. I don't have a broom on my truck, just this. I use it just for the floor because I'm in the miniature Cascadia, so this is really the only floor space I got. So one cap full is usually good enough. Swiffer wet cloths. Supposed to be used for the Swiffer wet jet, but I just use it manually. I'll take it out, and then I wipe down my steering wheel area, and then I also use it on my vents. One of the many things I use in my vent. This is my secret weapon. Pure citrus. I spray it just in the air as it's neutralize the air, and then I'll spray it down on the hard surfaces like the seat. And it has like obviously a lemon scent, lemon and orange, but then I mix it with other things, so then it ends up being a combination. Scent bomb, the green scent bomb. I'll put like 1 or 2 squirts directly in the vent, and then I mix it with this Hawaiian blue. So you got to think, you got the citrus, you have a pine scent, and then the Fabuloso is like a lavender scent. So when you mix it, it smells like candy, basically. A very sweet type of smell. It's almost like a musk, but it's like a sweet musk kind of scent. Hand wipes or disinfectant. Steering wheel, of course the door handle, and then I also do between, the cup holders and the surface. I cannot have a dirty truck. Windex. I use it, well, you can tell I kind of do use it more than I guess what I think I do. But to keep it clean. Now this stuff here, it's also glass cleaner, but it's more intense. Like say if you get something on your windows, like bugs, road debris that sticks kind of harder than normal, you spray this, it will pretty much take anything off. These are like when I manually wipe the windows, and then also sometimes on the floor. Now being a trucker, it's up to you. You can have a miserable experience where you feel isolated, you feel dirty, whatever or you can be like me and keep an arsenal of products to stay clean and fresh. All right, there we go.